Conjugation of the verb to bake in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I bake. 2. Simple past, I baked. 3. Simple future, I will bake. 4. Present continuous, I am baking. 5. Past continuous, I was baking. 6. Future continuous, I will be baking. 7. Present perfect, I have baked. 8. Past perfect, I had baked. 9. Future perfect, I will have baked. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been baking. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been baking. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been baking. Conjugation of the verb to bake, he, she, or it. 1. Simple present, he, she, or it bakes. 1. 2. Simple past, he, she, or it baked. 3. Simple future, he, she, or it will bake. 4. Present continuous, he, she, or it is baking. 5. Past continuous, he, she, or it was baking. 6. Future continuous, he, she, or it will be baking. 7. Present perfect, he, she, or it has baked. 8. Past perfect, he, she, or it had baked. 9. Future perfect, he, she, or it will have baked. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she, or it has been baking. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she, or it had been baking. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she, or it will have been baking. Conjugation of the verb to bake, you, we, or they. 1. Simple present, you, we, or they bake. 2. Simple past, you, we, or they baked. 3. Simple future, you, we, or they will bake. 4. Present continuous, you, we, or they are baking. 5. Past continuous, you, we, or they were baking. 6. Future continuous, you, we, or they will be baking. 7. Present perfect, you, we, or they have baked. 8. Past perfect, you, we, or they had baked. 9. Future perfect, you, we, or they will have baked. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we, or they have been baking. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we, or they had been baking. 12. Future perfect continuous, You, we or they will have been baking. Verb to bake forms. Present simple are you, we, they bake. He, she, it bakes. He, she, it bakes. Past simple baked. Past participle baked. Ing form baking.